Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this broken heart and how to put a font or a text into your heart and make both sides relatively equal. First of all, you need to type out your font and make sure it's center justified. And then just move your font into your heart, wherever you kind of think it'll look good. My computer's being a little slow tonight. Sorry about that. And then let's move it down just a hair, and let's rotate it 20 degrees. You could do it by the handles and see what you like. That looks pretty good. So now we need to make a duplicate of that. Control D and rotate it the opposite, which would be 340 degrees, which is 20 degrees from 360. Holding down your control button, move it over. Now, if you wanted that to say that, that's great. On these cups I'm doing this for, you can actually use your text editor and go and take away that and then add more and add that back and hit enter. And I guess I didn't need to capitalize more, but this way it's equal. Now you could probably reduce that a little bit you could always change the point size. Let's just go 70 and then make this one 70. You can still change them even though they're on that angle. Whoa. And there you go. So both hearts are equally across and the text is equally across. Now this might be a little bit lower or higher because of the fact that it's got more letters in it. But you could play around that. But what I'm getting at is at the same angle on the heart itself. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.